irugamiire gichunje kia 23.5 ukirigithania na namba ya arume.Ona gukiri uguo niataririe ati aingi ni aria matakoiregwo makinyaniire ikiro undu uria wonekanite kuhutia ndereti ya weiganania wa atumia ruhongeiniruru.Oho niataririe ati gutiri ruriri rutigitwo na thutha akiongerera ati aria mari na ukuru wa miaka 60 ni magiriirwo gukorwo makihuruka wira nigetha mbeu njithi imakorwo makionerwo Mieke wira-ini ucio.
Thank you, Chair. Good morning. And sorry.
I state as follows. With regard to the distribution in terms of gender, the proportion of women at 23.5%, which we are working hard. We've taken a policy position to correct this mess. I've already engaged the Principal Secretary responsible and the Commissioner General of Prisons to make sure that that gap is filled. With regard to uniform officers of the Kenya Prison Service, in terms of age, officers who reach 60, they must retire. This will help us to create room for promotion, especially at senior level management. On the same point, in terms of distribution by age, we want to ensure that the bulk of our officers to be at the most productive stages of our workforce, of our officers, and I will comment about that when we look at the distribution in terms of how many officers are in senior management and what are their ages.
Tutigane na icio cia Kindiki tuigire riboti-ini ya kieha iri haha abithaa umwe wa borithi mwena wa Kirugwe